Have a nice sleep. Do you want to come with me a wee second? Where's Buddy? I know. Let's go and find him. I've not looked for him yet. Is he not there?
Yeah, I think so.
No, I don't see him.
Wait a minute. I think he's somewhere else.
Like where?
Like in there.
Check.
Okay. Oh.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's not in there. Check the living room.
Yes.
Nope.
I thought we checked behind the cactus.
Well, if he's not in the kitchen and he's not in the dining room, he's not in the living room, and he's not in the stocking, what other room downstairs is left? What other room have we not checked? What other room have we not checked?
In there.
What's he doing?
What's he doing, Mommy?
I don't know. What has he done?
What?
Is he in the toilet?
Yeah.
What did he do?
Purse in the toilet.
Did he do poos?
Yeah. What did he do?
Is it poo?
Is it poo?
What do you think about that?
Daddy, come and see us.
Hi, Becca, yeah. Charlie, guess what? Guess what? Buddy did a poo.
Me a poo?
Yep, he did a poo in the toilet. He is a wee rascal.
Yeah.
Yuck. Good boy. Have a high five. Good boy. Guys, I've cut Charlie's hair with Fraz's beard trimmer. I butchered it a wee bit, but it looks good from the front. Sure it does. You think it's funny? No, why not?
It is funny.
Is it?
We cheeky ale.
Cheeky buddy, you're supposed to flush the toilet.
Yeah, because he didn't flush the toilet because it's high up.
Oh, is it? I'll do it.
Oh, someone's up there.
Ah, Mummy will clean it up. Right, buddy, we'll leave you to get organised. You come with me.
But someone says up there.
I know, I'll clean it up with them later. Poor Buddy's got everyone watching him. Morning everybody, that was so funny there with her face with Bug. Her face with Buddy. I thought she would have been like howling, but I think she was more shocked than anything. Oh god. Right, I'm about to get a frying pan out and make some scrambled eggs this morning.
On the toilet, done puss in the toilet.
What, sweetheart?
Buddy goes on the toilet, then the puss in the toilet.
Daddy, he is a wee
Rascal.
so he is. I don't know why, but Ella has totally gone off cereal these days. She either wants like a scrambled egg or a sandwich. It's so bizarre. So that's what I'm going to make just now. I'm going to make some scrambled eggs and make some for me and Fraser as well. Yeah, your yum yums! Yum yums are just coming. I'm going to ask Daddy to feed you so that I can get on with the breakfast making. I had a mini heart attack the other day thinking that Magic Christmas was no longer because I tried to put it on Google Home, but I see that it's actually just Magic Radio that's doing it, like exclusively Christmas for this month, so panic over. Got some big sausages on the go, and I've just looked down at this boy. He's got a minion in the Barbie car. Is he? Shh, shh, shh. The baby's on the bus go. No, that's the mummy's baby's on the bus go. Wow, wow, wow. What does the minion say? The minion says banana.
Nana.
Nana. I'm just laughing. There's clearly been like a swap situation going on here because she's got the cat car with the LOLs and Charlie's got the Barbie Jeep with the minion. So there's been a trade-off here. Guess what you forgot today? Your advent calendars.
I had that.
PJ Masks, the PJ Masks. Good boy. It's number 4. We're looking for number 4. Hey? Oh, have they? Ella, have you already done it? Do you want a vitamin instead?
Yeah.
Right, fine. I'm back home now and Ella's at nursery. Charlie's at my mum's. He goes there on Tuesday, which is great because it gives me a little chance to kind of catch up, do some worky bits, like just try and kind of like edit stuff or get things organised for things I'm doing in the next week or so, which is really handy. I love that she takes them on that day and it gives them a chance to properly like hang out as well, which is really nice. So he's sleeping, which is good, so mum can get on with stuff in her house. And Ella is at nursery, so today they're actually doing a really cute thing where they're going to a senior citizens home and they're singing Christmas carols. How nice is that? Honestly, it's so lovely. So she's been practicing her songs this morning at the dining table, which is so nice. You've been able to just like sit here and like work, or like this morning we had breakfast. I didn't actually vlog that right enough, but we had breakfast here and just like we had Andy and Ailey up last night and had breakfast here, or had dinner here rather, and it was just so nice being able to sit around a table and properly have a chat. It's just nice. I really enjoy it sitting here. The breakfast bar is good, but the amount of times the kids have been sitting there having their dinner and Charlie's been there, like he basically, the breakfast bar is like that on him, so he can like kind of sit up a little bit, but it's pointless because they're going to end up knocking their teeth out. Literally all I want for Christmas is my 2 front teeth will be what they'll be looking for Christmas time. But I'm going to put on Magic Christmas. I'm going to edit my vlog from yesterday to put on tonight, and then what I'm wanting to do is upload a video every Monday to Friday, although I missed yesterday's, every Monday to Friday for the rest of the month, because we've got stuff on at the weekend as well. Like I'm taking the kids to a panto, we're going to do the Santa visit. What else have we got happening? Probably go through to Edinburgh at some point and go to the Christmas markets. So we've just got so much cool stuff happening, and as much as it's lovely for me to do it for like a work perspective, like do Vlogmas stuff, it's actually so lovely to look back on. So like this is the reason why I started YouTube. I started to make family videos and to make memories that I can always go back to and watch. So it's nice for me to kind of like remember why I started this in the first place. So hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully you enjoy watching the vlogs. You all loved watching the moving vlogs as well, and there also is some like housey updates that will be within those videos as well. So we're obviously trying to get that room sorted for them for Christmas. I've got some ideas of what I like, so I'm going to show you kind of a few clues as to what I'm looking for. And maybe in the next week or so actually, we'll try and get the decorators out, like someone to paint and plaster, and not plaster because we've done that, to paint and paper that room so that it's almost ready to like put in carpet and stuff. So we've got quite a lot to do in that in the next 2 weeks or whatever, so we'll try and put that within the vlogs. Yeah, I'm just getting rambly now. I'm going to sit down. I'm going to have a can of Iron Brew Extra because honestly, right, see real Iron Brew, if you're not Scottish you don't know this, right? Real Iron Brew, well that's not entirely true, but basically you'll not be that interested. Real Iron Brew changed because of the sugar tax, right? So there's now no longer, can you see this? Gingerbread gin. Amazing. That's the Lidl one. If you see that in Lidl and you like ginger beer, you need to get it. It's like the law. I'm going to get an Iron Brew Extra. I'm going to see what other things we've got in here for having in a schnick. Oh, see, Fraser said that this was rotten. He picked up cakes yesterday and he said that that one was rotten, but I don't know what's inside this one. I might just leave it, save the calories. Yeah, Iron Brew Extra is basically the closest tasting to the real Iron Brew, I think anyway. But it's like got no calories in it. So I'm going to have a can of that. Edit the vlog and get the Christmas tunes on. Right, so I'm finished editing for the day. I'm about to head and go and pick up Ella from nursery. And I've just realised as I went up the stairs that my gorgeous husband has tidied up and hoovered. Very satisfying hoover lanes up the stairs that are going on, so I am very grateful for that because it gives me one less thing to do tonight. I'm saying that there's time yet, isn't there, with the kids and all. Let me just turn this light on and turn off the Christmas tree lights. I'm always so paranoid about leaving on sugar, the Christmas tree, in case it goes on fire or something. But yeah, I am going to get going, pick up Bella from nursery, and then I am going to head to the shops because I was tagged in like a £10 Poundland Christmas challenge video, and I'm really dying to do it, so any excuse, let's get going.
Has no humps, Alex camera has no humps, Alex camera has no humps. So go Alex, go boom boom boom.
Who did you sing this to?
To old people.
The old people, did they love it?
Yeah.
What did they say?
They just clap their hands like this.
That's amazing, love it. You're right in there. Come on. You're hilarious. We're home and the kids are watching Hotel Transylvania and also dancing and also playing and also waiting for their dinner to be ready. Multitaskers at the best, eh? Yeah?
But I don't tasker.
Is he not a multitasker? Are you a multitasker? You coming to cuddle?
Huh?
Huh? Oh, you're hiding? Oh! Topple down. Oh, careful. Hide, hide, hide. Go and hide. Look at the state of this place. Right, hide now, count. Ready? 5, 4, Ella and Charlie. Here I come. Right, where are you? Are you behind this curtain? No. Are you under here? No. I see you! I see you! Cut. Okay, right, I'm going to hide and you need to come try and find me, okay? Ah! Got me! Feeding time at the zoo. We're having some mashed potato and sausages and mushy peas for dinner tonight. Oh, sorry, do you want your juice back, darling? And some gravy, aren't we? My kids will literally eat anything as long as gravy's on it, seriously. Yum yum. So we've done bath time and Mum's come over to drop some stuff off and just for a gap and everything for a cup of tea, and we thought we'd no tea bags, but I found them. They were literally just round at the corner, see in that cupboard? In the corner. So by the way, my favourite tea bags ever, this is like the most boring conversation, but see the Twinings every day, they used to be like £5, I think they still are, and as that you can get them for £2 in B&M, so thank me later. So my mum's been desperate to go and get perfume, like this Lacoste perfume that you just can't get a hold of, and she's like, oh, I've got it in sale, I'm so happy about it, blah blah blah. And it's actually like miniature size. She just walked in, she's so disappointed because it's usually huge.
But that's £45 normally.
That's usually £45, she got it for 30, but like that's the original, like proper original Parfum Lacoste, and every time she gets it, it's like the wrong one. So now she found the right one. It's like miniature size. 2 squishes and you'll be done. That Wednesday at the weekend and you'll be finished.